A big part of NYSEG and RG&E's work each day is building a stronger, smarter, more resilient grid. Each year, we experience stronger, more frequent storms. This daily work by tree crews and line workers ensures our grid is ready. And when we do see a storm on the horizon, the sky turning from blue to gray, it's all hands on deck, so we're prepared to respond. Before severe weather hits, our operations team receives regular updates on a storm's path. Based on guidance from our own meteorologists, we activate emergency plans and deploy crews and equipment across our service territory, concentrating on areas that may see the most damage. During extreme storms, sometimes we'll bring in some extra help, like teams from our Avangrid sister utility companies in Maine and Connecticut. All of our employees have a storm role and prepare to be on duty during and after the storm, supporting restoration. As the wind, rain, ice, and snow arrive, we assess damage and weather conditions. We can't put workers up in bucket trucks when winds are more than 30 miles an hour, but we can help local emergency management agencies clear blocked roads. If you lose power, let us know right away. Depending on the type of damage, sometimes we can restore power from our control center. In more severe cases, we need to send crews to assess damage and make repairs. Downed power lines can be incredibly dangerous. Remember, no line is safe to touch, ever. In a storm, de-energizing live wires is always a top priority, coming first once the weather conditions allow for safe movement of our teams. When an area is made safe, you will see our damage assessment teams on scene first. Their job is to identify the damage in the field, so we can determine what types of crews and materials are needed to restore power. In some cases, power restoration can be a quick fix. When more severe damage occurs, multiple tree crews, pole diggers, and line workers may be required. As crews are assigned, we can provide estimated restoration times. These can vary based on the size and duration of the storm, the severity of damage, and overall safety conditions. During storms, our customers are our top priority, so rest assured, during any weather event, our entire team will be out there working until everyone has their power restored.